Here's a question for my viewers. Have you ever wondered who is watching you? Let's take a look. The history of symbolism goes back many, many years. Symbolism in Elizabeth's portrait have long been there, but most have chosen not to see it. As an example, Elizabeth's rainbow portrait is loaded with symbolism that, upon a glance, one would not notice. But now let's take a closer look. We're going to do these not in order, yet still beginning with number 1 in the middle upper portion. Mon sin sol iris means no rainbow without the sun. Only the Queen's wisdom can ensure peace and prosperity. Then to number 3 in the upper right. The snake or serpent symbolizes fertility, while the heart at the top right hanging from the snake symbolizes love. Then number 4 in the lower right. In Elizabeth's hand, it looks like she is holding a clear tube. This is indeed a rainbow. However, the colors have faded from the portrait. She holds the rainbow in her hand. The rainbow in this portrait symbolizes peace. She's holding it. So does that mean without her, there is no peace? And then number 2 in the center lower portion. Notice all the eyes and the ears. This clearly symbolizes that she is always watching and listening, or that she has eyes and ears everywhere. It seems that even today nothing has changed. If it has changed, maybe it is for the worse. Let's go to the next chart. This information and chart comes from Security Baron, and it's the data big tech companies have on you. And it's the types of data major tech companies admit to collecting in their privacy policies. I'm going to scroll down slowly here for you so you can see. Beginning with name. How many companies have your name? Your gender, your birthday, your phone number, your email address, your location, your relationship status, your work, income level, education, race, ethnicity, religious views, your physical address, facial recognition data, political views, credit cards, government ID, IP address, your emails, your contacts, your phone calls, your chats, conversations, and messages, calendar events, search history, videos watched, that's me, websites visited, browser information, video uploads, they're watching me, photo uploads, status updates and posts, likes, your documents, your purchase history, your games, your books, music, health, fitness data, ads you click, what you've hidden from newsfeed, the devices you use, information about the things near your device, voice data, gaming interactive data. The majority of the data categories on this list make sense. It's a no-brainer that Amazon has your credit card or that Google knows what websites you've visited. Even the least tech-savvy person would likely understand this. However, there are definitely some categories of data that get collected and stored that may sound a bit unnerving to some people. Facebook knows your political views, your religious views, and even your ethnicity. Xbox users will have their skeletal tracking data collected through the Kinetic device. Facebook also knows your income level, which it finds out through partnerships with personal data brokers. Platforms collect your documents, email, and message data, though some of this is just metadata. Facebook and Microsoft store facial recognition data based on the pictures you upload. And what about Ancestry.com? They have your DNA. Remember, this is just what companies admit to collecting in their privacy policies. What else do you think they know? So for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.